This is going to be today's video review for Friday, June 3rd, 2016 for Drum Energy Bands. Please read our trading disclaimer. So today in the market, we look at the S&P, of course, as well as oil futures. In this video, we're just going to discuss oil futures again. In this particular 8 a.m. market report that was sent out to traders, we were looking for price to be somewhat choppy in between these levels and to flush down to 48 and 3/4 and then down to 48.18. So let's take a look at some of the significant levels that we had today to lean upon. We were looking at 49.23, 29. You can see both those levels are drawn right here, here and here. Now as the trade developed, you can see that we had an opportunity to short them here. This is what we call bear control. Then we had a lower crest here, so we had more bear control to sell here with a lower crest, more bear control to sell there. So these red arrows are pointing to daily levels that we know in advance, and we can use them in our trading, and of course that's what forms the basis of the morning brew market report. But let's have a look at some recent intraday activity using our multiple chart frame analysis. So earlier this morning we had a strong trend continuation pattern buy, and it turned into a no pattern. That doesn't mean traders lost money, it just means that they made a little bit of money buying it down here. This is what our power mid retracement would be, considered to be a shallow retracement buy on the left chart right here. Now when this area 5, this upper yellow area, this area right here is not going to be up, then from a power mid under a strong trend continuation pattern, we've got a very significant piece of information, because we now know that in advance this area 5 right in through here is going to be down in the future. It's going to be down over here. It's going to be down. And when we retrace back to it, like we are up in through here, same kind of thing. Area 5 is going to be down. This is our termination on the higher chart. And as our trade chart presents the opportunity, we can get short with a red brick on close. We wait for that red brick to form, and then we place our stop above the energy bands that we're leaning against, which is the higher chart, focus chart energy bands. This area 5 is down. We know that. If you'd like to learn a very simple method that requires understanding the strategy before you ever place any money at risk, you can send an email to jb@drumenergybands.com. We want to thank you for your interest and hope you have a great weekend.